Good day, parents and guardians. A friendly reminder from Kidzuna. Keeping our hands clean is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. Here at Kidzuna, we value safety and sanitation. We encourage everyone to sanitize their hands all the time. Our friendly partners will assist you for your hand sanitation. Thank you.
Lalo ngayon, birthday niya ngayon. Nag-slide na yan kanina pa? Mamaya ate, mamaya ka mag-slide.
Oh wait, si ate muna.
Oh, go ate, go.
Si ate muna. Bye-bye. Oh, sit down na ito, sit down. Nice. Alita.
Slide na.
One more.
Oh, mamaya. Marian, dito lang.
Bumbuhi ka, ano? Bumbuhi ka?
Oh, go na. Mamaya, si Marian muna. Bye-bye. Si Marian muna.
Sit down.
Ate, mamaya ikaw, mamaya. Ay, nagsabay na. Oh, careful. Dito malagay, dali. Shoot mo doon, pa-shoot mo doon. Oh, yun, wash ng hands, dali, wash ng hands. Oh, Marian, wash ng hands. Marian. Dali, kus. Yan, very good.